ARCC Bikes welcomes local students seeking work experience placements, delivering valuable training and skills to pursue a career in design and manufacturing. For Agnes, we guided her through each stage of production, from research through to concept sketches for review by our team, translating her approved designs into digital models for printing, to seeing her designs come to life in our 3D printing facility. A great new bicycle reflector design comes to life as a physical product, ready to go onto the bike. At ARCC Bikes you can receive hands-on training and experience of working in a design and manufacturing industry. Spaces are limited and prioritised to schools local to our factory in Abington, Cambridge. Contact us at arcbikes.com about our work experience opportunities.